The Basque Culinary Centre has reached its 10th anniversary, a journey of constant learning and growth that would not have been the same without its international council, a group of men and women with different profiles dedicated to the same passion, gastronomy. Pioneers in their countries, they have taken risks and made the sector bigger since they raised their gaze from their dishes and left their kitchens. Each one of them has sought new ways of interacting with society, translating the creativity, talent, and entrepreneurial vision that distinguishes them, not only into positive impacts in their communities, but also into new approaches, new ways of understanding this profession, new proposals, commitments, and paths, in addition to a new awareness. This is their legacy for the new generations. The International Council is a living entity going through constant transformation. It combines different realities and cultures, in addition to perspectives on what it currently means to be engaged in cuisine, such as science, philosophy, sociology, or art. During these 10 years, the members of the Council have met all over the world: Lima, Tokyo, New York, Sao Paulo, Donostia, Mexico City, Modena, and San Francisco. In each one of these cities, we have debated current issues linked to topics such as biodiversity, sustainability, technology, and transformation through gastronomy. Panel groups have been created where people give their opinions, debate, and discuss, something only possible thanks to an important quality that they all share: the ability to listen, as a proper dialogue requires active listening, and on this basis it is possible to create contents and plan activities to accompany the development of gastronomy and continue to amplify its impact. Important milestones have resulted from these gatherings, such as the drafting of the open letter to the chefs of tomorrow, with shared values for the chefs of the future, or the creation of the Basque Culinary World Prize, known as the Nobel of Gastronomy among specialized critics, an example of how the International Council's work is translated into actions and initiatives that open up paths. A lot can happen on a 10-year journey, and because of that, there's something we want to say. Thanks for your contribution, for your generosity, for being the embodiment of the knowledge we impart to our students. Thank you for making us better. The journey continues, and we still need you so that together we can look towards a future where gastronomy has a lot to say. Let's carry on thinking collectively, evolving, feeding hope. Because the path traveled has been thrilling, but the path ahead has to be invented.